89.5 My Subic Bay Radio, SBMA Tourism Hour.
It's a rainy Thursday, July 3, 2025. Check your time. We got 27 minutes after 9 in the morning. I am DJ Jeps, and welcome to another episode of the Tourism Hour. Listen to our live audio streaming worldwide via mysubicbay.com/895 Subic Bay Radio Garden and on Facebook. And now the main hosts of the show, our fantastic people from the SBMA Tourism Department. We got the beautiful girls na may pa-surprise ngayong morning. We got Janella, right? And Miss Kate and Gia, fantastic morning sa inyo.
Fantastic morning, DJ. Sa mga nakatutok po sa atin sa live stream, yan, nakikita po nila meron tayong kasama po dito sa studio na napakagagandang mga dilag. We have here our friends po from Subic Riviera Hotel and Residences, si Miss Anne Klein and si Miss Abigail. Hello po mga madam, good morning.
Good morning, mabuhay.
Ayan. Tell us a bit about the Subic Riviera Hotel and Residences.
For the Subic Riviera Hotel and Residences, near lang siya sa Aura, ipagpasok ng second gate, Aura College or sa Subic Water.
Subic Water, yun yung landmark.
Yun yung landmark.
Aura and Subic Water.
For the location itself po, it's Lot 9, Block B. Then, Subic Commercial and Light Park CBD area, Subic Bay Freeport Zone, Olonga po, Philippines. It's your home away from home.
Your home away from home.
Ma'am, gusto ko mag-recite. Oo. Subic Riviera, isa yan sa mga bagong hotels natin dito sa Subic Bay Freeport, no? Marami nagtatanong, paano ba tayo nag-come up with the Riviera na word? Ano ba yung meaning ng Riviera?
Actually, Riviera is, I think, a Latin word. Came from our chairman po. When he was touring in abroad po, then he said the Riviera. That's why he come up with Subic Riviera.
Yan, oo. And according to my research,
Iba ka, DJ.
according to my research, yung word na Riviera is associated with luxury, tourism, and seaside resorts. So, tamang-tama talaga ang location ni Subic Riviera dito sa Freeport. And it typically evokes images of sunny beaches, elegant towns, and a glamorous lifestyle. I've been to Riviera, glamorous,
yes.
diba? Social yung mga kama nila doon, kasya yung 25 packs na family.
All of our beds are one king size bed.
Yes, ang lalaki. So talagang luxurious talaga and the perfect siya for Subic Bay Freeport Zone.
Yes. Paggabi, DJ, alam mo kahit nasa Olonga po ka. Actually, nagpunta kami sa bahay ni Jay sa Mabayuan nung nakaraang gabi. Kita-kita pa din yung Riviera doon sa kanila.
Yun nga yung worry ko kapag gumigimik ako doon sa taas. Baka nakikita.
Natatanaw ka, DJ.
Baka may mga telescope tumiting. Si Jeps doon nagwawalwal pala sa rooftop.
Mga nag-i-stay sa atin madalas, family, business, or solo travelers, ganun.
As of the moment, mga guests po namin is the Navy, the Balikatan. Mostly din po mga families from Pampanga, Bataan.
Yeah, so basically, nakikater po tayo sa all types of travelers.
Yes po.
Yeah, so kahit kung nandito ka for leisure, for work.
We do have also the ESA Cafe. If you want some coffee, breakfast, we do have the ESA Cafe po. And then the ESA Restaurant po namin na nag-a la carte po every day. We do have also the ESA Sky Lounge po, our Resto Bar. It is open from 4 p.m. to 12 midnight naman po. May live band din po every day.
Ano pa po ba yung mga amenities or facilities na meron si Subic Riviera Hotel?
We do also offer packages po for your events like seminars, training, or birthdays, weddings, like that one po. If you want to have a quotation po, just message us at our Facebook page, Subic Riviera Hotel and Residences po. Or you can email us at marketingriviera2023@gmail.com.
Si ESA Cafe, nag-offer yun ng coffees, cakes, pastries. Si ESA Restaurant, you have like the eat all you can there before. Parang I've tried that before after ng marathon.
Carbo load after mag-marathon.
After ng marathon, doon ako dumiretso talaga. Oo, nag-ali ako before, but I am not sure if meron pa kayo ngayon.
Yes po, before po we do have the dinner buffet po, but unfortunately now po is wala na po siya.
Yeah.
Puro a la carte naman.
A la carte. And the ESA
Sky Lounge.
Sky Lounge.
Which
is ang pinupuntahan ni DJ Chan.
Oo, doon ako lagi.
Yes.
Lalo dun sa VIP room nila.
VIP room,
Ang
yes.
cute ng VIP room nila kasi talagang hindi ka maririnig doon sa labas.
Oh,
Pero
so kahit magwala ka sa loob pala,
Oo.
DJ.
Nagka-karaoke pala si DJ.
Yes. Pero kasi nakikita ka pa din. Maganda tumambay doon at mag-chill kasi kitang-kita mo ang buong Freeport.
We do have our very own swimming pool po located sa 3rd floor. Then we do have a kids playroom din po doon inside the pool area.
Mm-mm. Yung swimming pool natin is only open for the guests.
For the guest, but we also accept walk-in po,
Yun.
walk-in guest. Then right now, we do have a rainy day promo up until August 31, 2025. So it's 290 pesos for adults, then 190 pesos for kids. At they can order naman po foods and drinks sa SA Sky Lounge po.
For how many hours ako pwede magstay for the 290 pesos?
That's up until 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Ay,
12 hours. 12 hours. Ala, kulubot-kulubot na talaga.
kulubot talaga ako doon. Pag-ahon ko doon, gimmick na ako sa taas.
Tama
Then sa Sky Lounge din, DJ, may small pool doon.
Nakakahiya naman kasi
Pantampisa.
nakakahiya mag-dip doon. Hindi, I mean, pwede ba? Naisip ko kasi minsan, halimbawa habang nagkakasiyahan, pwede ba mag-swim doon habang may mga tao, may mga guests doon sa bar?
Pwede po. Yes
Pwede.
po.
Oh, lakasan ng loob pala. Kailan?
Mga ibang wasted, super wasted na mo, nag-date talaga.
Okay.
Pag-ahon is okay
Baka
na po ulit.
pwede magpababa.
Okay. Binigyan niyo ako ng idea. may spa ba tayo
We do
doon?
have wellness po located sa 6th floor. Bali, inside Subic Riviera siya. So,
okay.
madami yung hindi nakakaalam na si Subic Riviera is may own Subic Riviera Wellness and Aesthetic Clinic.
Hindi ko yun alam.
Hindi na namin alam. Now we know.
Open din siya for walk-in, DJ. Yes.
Okay.
Then it's 10 a.m. up until 12 midnight.
12 midnight.
Ano mga services dun sa spa?
We do offer the facial treatment, the human massage po. May mga chair massage din po kami, then the eye massage po. Like that.
Oh, meron pala.
Yes.
Ako parang naka-curious kasi na-mention nga iba't ibang floors. Ilang floors po ba in total?
Subic Riviera po have 8 floors po.
8 floors.
Yes.
Included na po yung Sky.
Yes.
Oo. Ilan ang rooms ni Riviera?
So, as for the rooms po, we do have a total of 134 rooms po.
Ang dami.
Kasama na po yung mga family villas namin.
Okay.
Bali, ma'am, yung family villas nila, pang ilang tao po siya?
So, we do have two kind of villa po. The family villa one have 7 rooms po. Good for 14 packs po yan for our night stay. The other family villa 2 po have 8 rooms po and good for 16 packs naman po yan. With complimentary breakfast buffet po yan at Asa Restaurant.
Oo.
That's nice.
Yung mga ganda, may mga connecting doors yan.
Oo.
We want to promote our function halls
Yes,
po, especially
sure.
in social events po, like your birthdays, weddings, baptism, first birthday, or seminar training po. Pwede po si Subic Riviera. We can offer you 2 function hall po na good for 250 packs and good for 100 packs po. We do also cater small meetings like 15 to 30 packs po for your meetings or seminars po.
Pwedeng i-offer yan sa mga event organizers natin dito sa Subic Bay Freeport, mga suppliers. It's a new venue for their events. Malapit lang sa gate, di ba? Oo, very accessible.
Ang Subic Freeport pa naman, DJ, is MICE destination.
True.
Meetings, incentives,
Convention. And exhibition, yes. Nice.
Other promos is rainy day promo din sa room until July 31, 2025. So 20% discount for all room types. Sa events, we also have packages. Bali, right now we do have a plan ahead and save. So you can book from July 1 up until September 30. And then yung event date will be October 1 to December 31. You will be given 10% off of your total food and beverage bill. Then for our next one, it's Celebrate Big and Save More. For events with 100 plus guests, 20% off our event host and photo booth package will be given din. Then celebrate in style and save for birthday events. Book in advance 20% off your event stylist and birthday cake. Turn up the celebration and save for 60 plus guests. We also offer 20% off of our DJ and Hype Man package. Then our last one will be celebrate love with a special gift. For engagement parties or wedding receptions, you will receive 1 complimentary food cart plus 1 wine for toasting. Yun yung mga packages namin for events.
Aside sa mga ganap dito sa Subic Freeport, saan pa po ba namin makikita or aabangan si Subic Riviera Hotel and Residences?
Makikita nyo din po kami at the Pasay SMX Convention Center. We will be attending the Madnex Expo 2025 po. You can look Subic Riviera po doon and then you can avail our room voucher po. Yeah, may mga discount din po rates yan.
Ayan. So, excited
So, matatry
na
natin yung rooms nila.
Yes po, DJ. If you will avail.
Nag-yes ha.
If you will avail.
Oo, nag-yes.
DJ ha.
Recorded yan.
True. May mga social media accounts po ba sila and ways to contact you po?
Yes po, we invite all people po na nakikinig ng radio today to please like and share our page po, Subic Riviera Hotel and Residences. And then our page 3 ESA din po, named ESA Cafe, ESA Restaurant, and ESA Sky Lounge po. You can check the updates po when we have promotions po every month at the page po.
For the reservations, you can email us at guestservice@subicriviera@gmail.com or you can contact our front office mobile number 0917-528-2407. And for booking of functions and events, our sales and marketing mobile number will be 0939-921-5153 and marketing email will be marketingliviera2023@gmail.com. Our landline is also 047-603-5829.
We would like to acknowledge the presence of our GM po, Ms. Ivory Grace Garcia, and to Ma'am Ian na nag-allow po sa amin to attend this radio today po. Hi Ma'am Ian.
We would like to acknowledge na lang po yung chairman po of Subic Riviera Hotel and Residences, Mr. Myungkook Kang. Our president is Ma'am LV Kang. Okay.
Miss Abigail and Miss Anne Klein from Subic Riviera Hotel. Thank you so much po for joining us, mga madam. And hopefully sa mga future episodes po natin ay makasama ulit namin kayo.
Magbabalik po ang ating Tourism Hour dito po sa 89.5 FM, My Subic Bay Radio. Diyan lang po kayo.
Streaming worldwide on your radio and on the web.
89.5, giving you the world's new music first.
89.5 My Subic Bay Radio, SBNA Tourism Hour.
On to the second half of the broadcast brought to you by the SBMA Tourism Department. More exciting updates and highlights are just ahead. This is your Tourism Hour. Kate, Gia, and Janelle.
Ayan. Thank you so much, DJ Jeps. And once again po, maraming salamat po kay Miss Abby and Miss Anne ng Subic Bay Riviera Hotel and Residences for joining us on today's episode of the Tourism Hour. Nagbabalik na po ang Caracol Street Dance Competition 2025. So this is in celebration of the 79th Feast of San Roque on August 16, 2025. So para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang Caracol po natin na yung nag-start po siya sa San Roque Chapel. So, of course, magkakaroon muna tayo ng mass dyan. Ayan, and then after the mass po ay magkakaroon tayo ng parang Caitlin? Parade. Ayan. So, maglalakad po tayo simula San Roque papuntang Subic Gym. Pero, yung mga sasali po sa ating Caracol Dance Competition, sila po ay magpa-perform. So, parang street dancing. Ayan.
Kaya
so,
street dance competition.
Yes. Kaya siya street dance competition. Hindi dahil magsasayaw sila sa Subic Gym. Charot. Ayan. So, street dance competition po ito. Pero, we would like to invite din ang lahat dahil nga, syempre, mas mas madami, mas masaya.
Janela, ano nga ba ang criteria for judging natin sa dance competition na ito?
So for the dance competition po, first criteria, we have the theme or concept. This includes yung thematic interpretation of the Feast of San Roque, including music, and also the relevance. This is for 30%. And then pre-judging during the parade is 10%. Choreography and performance for 30%. This include the creativity and artistry of the movement, patterns and formation, smooth transitions, appropriateness of movement, execution, mastery and coordination, synchronicity and precision, energy and projection. And costume and props for 20%, artistry design, style relevance, appropriate use, effective use, relevance to performance and concept. And lastly, the audience appeal for 10%. A total of 100%.
Magkano nga ba ang mapapanalunan ng ating mga sasali? So for the school category, meron po tayong best in props na prize for 10,000 pesos. And may consolation prizes po tayo for the two groups na 5,000 each. Ang second prize naman po natin ay mananalo ng 10,000 pesos, while the first runner-up ay mananalo po ng 20,000 pesos. At ang ating grand prize po ay 30,000 pesos. Ayan. So sa grand champion po natin, mananalo po sila ng 30,000 pesos. Eh kung sila pa yung nag-best in props.
True. Diba?
Kaya sali na, lumaban na kayo dito. At hindi lang yon, dahil kung yun na yung prize for the school category, paano pa itong open category? So, sa open category po natin, same po, meron din tayong best in props na 10,000 pesos. Ang consolation prizes po natin for the two groups ay 10,000 pesos each. And then for the second prize, it's 30,000 pesos. Ang first prize po natin, 40,000 pesos. At ang mananalo po na grand champion ay mag-uwi ng 50,000 pesos cash.
Wow!
So ito po,
Kanina nga po nabanggit na ng ating mga guests na magkikita-kita po tayo sa 12 Travel Madness Expo. Nagaganapin po sa SMX Convention Center Manila starting July 11 hanggang July 13 po. So that's Friday to Sunday. Ang Subic Bay Pavilion po makikita nila sa Hall 1, booths number 17 to 20. At may kasama po kaming 14 na tumataginting na stakeholders, tourism stakeholders. Sila nga po ay sina Asea Subic Beach Resort, Emerald Manor, Camana Sanctuary Resort and Spa, The Charm Suites, Ocean Adventure, Subic Bay Travelers Hotel and Event Center, Subic Bay Venetia Hotel, Subic Bay Yacht Club, Subic Grand Harbor Hotel, Subic Riviera Hotel and Residences, Sun Plaza Subic, the Aurora Subic Hotel, the Lighthouse Marina Resort, and of course, Subic Safari. So magkita-kita po tayong lahat on July 11 to 13 sa SMX Convention Center Manila for the 12th Travel Madness Expo. Yes, Gia, I think meron pa tayo iba.
Ayan, so ang huling part po ng ating Tourism Hour, syempre ay tulad po ng na-post na ni Department of Tourism Region 3 Office. Ang ating pong Central Luzon Sustainable Tourism Summit will be back for another year. So ito na po ang third year ng ating Central Luzon Sustainable Tourism Summit. Nagaganapin po on September 10 to 12 dito sa Subic Bay Freeport Zone. So ayan, so nag-extend po tayo. So from 2 days po ay magiging 3 days na siya. Dahil yung day 1 po natin ay yung tours natin. And then for days 2 and 3, yun na po yung plenary natin and mga breakout sessions. So for this year, ang tema po natin ay Building Green Legacies, Sustaining Nature, Celebrating Culture, and Empowering Industry. So meron po tayong 3 tracks. Tututukan po natin itong 3 track na ito at mag-i-invite po ang SBMA Tourism Department in partnership with the Department of Tourism Region 3 Office ng mga industry leaders o yung mga experts on these 3 tracks para po mas lumawak pa ang mga kaalaman natin sa pag-sustain ng nature natin and how to celebrate the culture and empower the industry. So, marami na pong nagtatanong. Ang registration link po natin ay to be posted very, very soon po. So, abangan lang po sa ating Facebook page. Again, this is on September 10 to 12, 2025 dito sa Subic Bay Freeport Zone. At hindi lang po yan dahil this year din ay mag-launch na ang ating 2025 Central Luzon Star Awards or the Sustainable Tourism Appreciation and Recognition Awards. Dito din po mag-uumpisa sa Subic Bay Freeport Zone. So this is to honor and celebrate sustainable tourism champions across the region. So stay tuned din po for the official call for nominations which will be posted very soon din po. Sama-sama po natin palakasin pa ang sustainable tourism dito sa Subic Bay Freeport Zone and all over Central Luzon, Philippines. Dahil nga po maulan, alam namin na hindi makalabas ang karamihan or hindi nila ma-enjoy yung usual na ginagawa nila on sunny days. Ang ating pong SBMA Tourism Facebook page, which is the Fantastic Subic Bay, ay tuloy-tuloy po ng pag-post ng mga indoor activities na pwede po nilang gawin dito sa Subic Bay Freeport Zone. So kung naghahanap po sila ng mga gagawin kahit maulan, syempre hindi nyo po gagawin ito pag nagsuspend po ng klase ang ating mga government officials. Pero kung hindi naman ganun kalakas masyado ang ulan and pwede pa rin tayong lumabas, pwede po sila mag-check sa ating official Facebook page, Fantastic Subic Bay, para po sa different activities na pwede nilang enjoyin pa rin dito sa Subic Bay Freeport Zone. So please like and follow our Facebook page. So once again, it's Fantastic Subic Bay. Yung fantastic po natin ay FUN-tastic. And meron din po kami DJ pala sa Instagram. So it's Fantastic Subic Bay.
Dire-diretso lang. And also TikTok.
And also TikTok. Ayan.
Yes.
So wag natin kakalimutan kasi
may YouTube din kayo, di ba?
Yes, DJ.
But it's very Asian kasi.
We will do our best to revamp.
Sige, i-check namin. Baka kasi kailangan pa namin mag-agyo doon.
And ito mga pages na to, this could be used then for emergency purposes lalo na ngayong maulan.
Yes.
We can give them the emergency hotline numbers kung saan pwedeng humingi ng tulong if ever na kakailanganin nila ngayong rainy season.
Yes, TJ. Actually, ginagawa din naman namin yun yearly. And I think this is the time na i-repost na natin ang ating mga emergency lines.
Doon din po sa mga laging nakaabang kung ang ating mga sports complex ba ay open, yung mga facilities natin. Follow nyo lang po ang Facebook page natin dahil once naman po na may announcement from the management, ipopost din po natin doon kung bukas po or hindi bukas ang ating mga facilities.
Yes, and I guess yun lang yung mga announcements,
Yes.
official announcements natin.
This has been the July 3, 2025 episode of the Tourism Hour. See you again next week and be guided with our Subic Freeport activities, promos, and updates. Let us enjoy the rest of the morning. Ingat po tayong lahat ngayong maulan na morning. At makinig na lang kayo ng music ng mga favorite songs nyo dito sa 89.5 FM, My Subic Bay Radio. Together with the SBMA Tourism Department, Janelle, Kate, and Gia. This has been DJ Jeps. Have a fantastic morning, everyone.
Radio. Streaming worldwide on your radio and on the web.
89.5, giving you the